We are very proud to unveil the LG G Flex 2 to the world. It is arguably our most ambitious smartphone yet. It's the perfect balance of beauty with its curved design, yet at the same time a benchmark of innovation. And it's built primarily for the benefit of convenience with its enhanced viewing capability and the easy-to-hold shape. We know you will agree that in the world of similar smartphones, the LG G Flex 2 truly stands alone.
LG's commitment to OLED, the investment, the resources, the energy, the creative thinking that we're putting into it boils down to one bottom line point. OLED is, quite simply, the best TV ever and the future of television, and LG is the only company that's able to put OLED into people's hands today. We're also significantly advancing the picture quality of our 4K LCD TVs. This year, we'll feature Color Prime technology in several series, which will expand the color gamut that can be displayed by up to 30%. This is useful for watching in brightly lit rooms, which can rob a TV picture of its color. The spectacular Color Prime capability will be available in our Quantum Dot series or our wide color LED series using technology developed by LG Display.
Today's households seem to revolve around two main sets of activities: the stuff people want to do and the stuff people have to do. And no area of our operation exemplifies our ability to address these everyday obstacles more than our new 2015 product introductions in the laundry and the refrigeration categories. Dee's Energy Star refrigerator allows you to access popular items because you don't need to open the entire refrigerator door.